It's the end of the year, which means it's time to buy stuff. Well, I already bought it. Or just kind of come along for the ride for you guys, because got some upgrades for the studio, and I figured it's be a little interesting DTS. That stands for behind the scenes. Phanteks builds upon their highly popular Shift Case series with the all-new Shift 2 and Shift Air 2 Mini ITX small form factor PC chassis. The Shift 2 now supports large GPUs with its increased 2.9 slot capabilities, while the slightly rearranged layout allows for optimal airflow. To see the full list of changes and features of the all-new Shift 2 and Shift Air 2 from Phanteks, click the link in the description below. Okay, this one's got battery, so we'll open this one last, because that'll be a fun one. So I ordered some lights, and lens, and stuff. Some stuff that Phil's been asking for, some things that I want. I'm not too sure what's in here. So everything in here came from B&H Photo. None of it is sponsored, obviously. It's something that Phil has been asking for forever.
Oh boy.
Probe. Okay, so this lens has been making quite the splash. I think Linus has been using one. When this was first debuted, it's fine. When this was first debuted, Phil was like, oh my God, for the B-roll. You guys know Phil's B-roll. He's really, really known for it. He wants to be able to get some really dope shots. Wow. Okay, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay. It even has a little combo. Do they give me the number? So this is the probe lens. This will allow Phil to get some really creative shots from inside the system and stuff, because he can basically stick it places. Now I know, I hear you laughing already, Nick, and I know I can hear the internet laughing from here.
So what are they?
Keep it clean. This is not a scope. Okay.
There's so much opportunity for different kinds of B-roll though.
You got the stuff. You got the money.
Ooh.
Oh, that's right. There is a light on the end of it. I forgot. Keep it clean, people. Hey Phil, what? Bend over.
It's like he had to be a lightsaber or something.
Like a barrel of a gun. Whoa, dude! $1,500 bucks.
I know. Shut up. Dude, we can't lose the lens cap either.
He said, no, shut up. You're gonna have to get some shots for this vlog later that I can insert.
Yeah.
Insert probe shot. Welcome to the Nanlite Forza 300. 100. To understand why I got this light, I'll show you guys what we're dealing with one of our lights. Wow. So this boy is bigger than I expected it to be.
Oh geez.
Studio light. We've been running aperture lights here for several of years. Wow. Now that's a control box.
Wow.
Double V mount. So this is our, look at the size of that LED. Look at the size of that LED. I dare you to turn it on like this.
No.
Okay, this is our Aperture 120D. So you can see it, very similar, but it's smaller. So they do have an Aperture 300D. This is designed from Nanlite to compete with the 300D. But you can see right here, I've got this dome light on there. This is the control box for it right here. It's wireless, it's radio controlled, which is nice. But the problem is, check this out. Something's wrong in here now to where yeah, so that light's no good anymore. You can't buy this box separately, and this exact light that we have, this Lightstorm, they have a new version out. This one's discontinued, and you cannot buy the box independently. So I got the 300D as a new key light to replace it. I just didn't realize the controller was this big.
What's up with all this industrial size equipment? Jeez. Oh,
little
dude, it's
kitchen
ready for
shots.
Forza.
I already made that. But before we do that, let's go and open one of these guys. We've got the 3 sets that we shoot in, and eventually a 4th. You can see there's this is another 120D right here, right? And this one works fine. But we have to pick up the C-stand and carry the light. It's really annoying. So I got these professional grade stands, 3 of them, that are actually on wheels. Now That way we can just roll it around. Owie, sharp. I might have gone a little overboard on these.
No, you're fine, because I'll hold your new control box.
One for the box and one for the light.
Yeah.
Now we just be like. But this is awesome because I can add other rigging to this if I ever needed to. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted up. Do this now. Phil, come here. I was worried my stand would be tall enough. What did you do?
Why? It's the size of the LED.
I know, that's what I was saying earlier. It's like,
oh my god, it's like half your face. I dare you to look at it.
No, I said that to him. He said,
yeah. This is like,
stop repeating me, Phil.
Ah.
Oh god.
Dude, it's brighter than the window to the sky.
Because the skylight's probably dirty too.
No, the sun isn't as bright.
The sun's dirty. Oh jeez. Why'd you do that?
I got a burned in image in my retina. All I see is a circle. We've got these lights right here. These are our hive lights. This is what we use for splashes of color. But I wanted to give some of these panel lights from Nanlite a shot because I was looking at replacing our light storms as well. But I came across these, and I know this really seems like a Nanlite sponsored video. It's not. I spent, for everything you're gonna see today, like over $6,000 for this stuff because studio upgrades. But these, holy crap, they're heavy. These have a bunch of really neat features in them. This is gonna give us even more cool effects, and I wanna see what those are gonna look like. So, they all come in these nice like denim bags. And these are the small ones. So this is the Mix Panel 60. Oh look, more reasonable sized power stuff that I thought we were gonna get. But yeah, this is the small panel right here. Just wait for it to boot up. Ooh. Holy cow. These are way better than the Wasps. Like, that's a lot of color. So we can change our color balance. So 5600K, it's like the industry standard there. You can go super cool white, all the way down 2700 warm white. And then you can add extra green or magenta. That's so cool. That's America colors right there. I swear it wasn't me, officer. It was the one-armed man. So bright. Phil, come here. You're just driving along, minding your own business. Okay, so what other effects do we have?
You probably could. It's probably in the manual somewhere.
Well,
What the fuck? I was trying to duck under the shot. Wait, you can go brighter?
yeah, that was only like 40%.
Oh my god, dude, like my whole vision is just blue and red. Oh my god, it's Jay! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Jay!
That looks like
So
fire
check this
pit.
out. Yeah, so if we were to,
That looks fire, bro.
does it like on camera? Does it sort of look like there would be a fire over here that you can't see?
Yeah.
It RGBs.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
just straight up RGBs. Okay, now one other thing you guys might have noticed is this camera sucks. So one of the things about this AX53 that we've got right there, AX33, excuse me, it was a good camera for like just low budget vlogs and stuff, but now we've got gaff tape. No. Now we've got this guy, FDR AX700. This is actually an S-Log HDR camcorder. And yes, we are Sony fanboys around here. The nice thing about this is the body isn't really that much bigger. So it allows us to still stay ultra portable, but it will allow us to pick up better stuff in low lights. It'll pick up highlights better. It just won't do as poor of a job with trying to capture all this dynamic, all this range of lighting like we have in here. So,
This looks ridiculous. It's like a sniper rifle. Oh,
wow. Wow. I think what we'll do is we'll get this set up real quick and then we'll just switch from that to, and this is what the new camera looks like. So we haven't gone in and really adjusted too many of the settings yet. I don't even know how it looks, honestly. Our AX33 was a $1,000 camera when I bought it. It served us really well, but it's obviously showed its age now, and Phil is super excited now that we can have a vlog camera that won't look like crap. And since this one has a full-size HDMI output, we can use it for our live streams, which would be really simple. So I'm really excited about that, and it's not gigantic.
Holy cow. That's so ridiculous.
But I think the two things that like we're most excited for, obviously, is this camera and then the probe lens. He's wanted that lens,
shots, but
but still, he's wanted that lens forever. And now that we have one, he's going to come up with some cool montagey stuff for you guys to see in the future. So anyway, just a vlog to show you guys some of the new equipment that we got. Yeah, we're amateurs doing it all wrong, and that's what makes it amazing. So
Plus, look at how egg crate Egg crate is.
plus, make sure you guys go and get your JayzTwoCents merch at www.jayztwocents.com.
Slash. This is reading the whole URL.